Hello everyone around the world. We have something to repair here. But the job came in like this. The customer bring a laptop for repair. The laptop, he said the laptop is not coming on. He bring the laptop, that's the laptop. That's the laptop. It's an Acer, you know those Acer. And Acer Aspire E5171 series. That's the laptop. This laptop came in here together with this power pack. So what the customer said, he said the laptop is not working. Say we have a dead laptop. So we put a diagnosis. Later on we discover the problem is coming from the power pack itself. And trust me, you can't even work too many hours here. We have very high temperatures during the day, around the 36 degrees Celsius or more. Very high temperatures. So it's a tricky day. It's a tricky day. That the customer's power pack. So why I'm saying it's a power pack problem, because when I come with the laptop, let's raise the voltage to 19 volts, 2.8 amps. We want to power on the laptop with the power supply. That's what I did exactly. When this job came in, I plug in the power supply like this, and here there was orange light and it was taking 12 milliamps, and I press on and the laptop is coming on. Of course the customer is saying there's no drive, plus the battery is faulty. So as soon as I disconnect the power supply, the laptop is going off. Now with the customer's charger, I plug to the AC power source. Checking here, checking the customer's charger, checking the customer's charger. We have 19.38. This is the customer's charge. We do have 19.38. So now you say you are wrong. You say I'm wrong. Yeah, I can be wrong. But let me show you something. I plug in the charger with 19.38 volts. We do have the orange charging light. Let's power on the laptop. We want to pay attention to the LEDs here. On, and the LED just disappear. No LED, the laptop is not turning on. And at this moment, if we check the output voltage on this power pack again, probably we don't have 19 anymore. We now have 3.3 volts, 2.9. So that is my problem. When I disconnect this, if I disconnect the power pack for a while, I'm getting back 19 volts. If I put it back, if I try to connect to the laptop, we are losing like 15, 14 volts. And this is the most common behavior. This is the most common behavior. And you know what? If you see something like that, you know this is a simple job. So here we have a bulged capacitor. You know the capacitor, they are getting bulged because of so many reasons. Can be overheating, can be over voltage, can be aging, can be fake components of nowadays. Yeah, people they are making fault components. This is a small circuit board switching power supply, so you have to know where to touch. Because here we have high voltage, 200 something volts. Let's take out this metallic so that we get access. But what I know for sure, uh, this can be a capacitor. Based on this behavior, can be a capacitor. Okay. So the plastic cover is out. And the big guy just fed up with life. I told you, this is the most common fault. If we check this capacitor from an angle view, you see that it's not flat on top. This capacitor, which is meant to carry 300 something volts, the big capacitor, this one, if we check, if we pay close attention to the capacitor, the capacitor is not flat. So that is the reason why this laptop, this charger is not working. Uh, so now we need to get access to the pins by taking out this white insulator. I don't know what to call it, but they use this to insulate the components from the metallic thing. From this metallic thing, it's very simple because when you try to power on the laptop, uh, the capacitor will quickly got discharged. The capacitor is getting discharged and it's not, uh, and there instantly there's no voltage on the output. So here, the customer was very honest to me. I don't have money to buy another charger. I don't have money for this. Can you try to help me? And I don't think this capacitor has voltage, but it's good to check. Just to play with a safe switching power supply here. And this voltage, 130 something. Huh? I can't believe. I can't believe I was playing with fire. So let's discharge the capacitor by shorting plus and minus. That's how we discharge the capacitor. Microscope can help me at this moment. So what I'm going to do here is very simple. It's very simple. We're going to take out this capacitor and replace it with another one of same value. Capacitor, your time is over. I don't need you anymore. The value of the capacitor is written, so there's no need to worry about 400 volts, 82 micro. Let me look for this capacitor. These are the values of this capacitor. So let me look for the one. Let's replace the capacitor. Plus, the unmarked side is plus, and this one, the marked one is minus. So all that what we need to do is to replace the capacitor. Yeah, you can buy another power pack if you can afford, but if you can't, uh, this will be the only option to fix the power supply. Okay. So what we did here, we just replaced this big capacitor with a good one. This one is flat on top. Um, we can put all together, but I don't want to put this metallic thing anymore. Just to safeguard this switching power supply from shorting with the metallic thing, I will not put that metallic anymore. This is our sticker. And all what we need to do now is to play with hot glue just to stick everything. Just to stick everything here. So I'll use the hot glue just right round this side, and I go on the other side. And that should be enough. And all what we need to do is to press here. And the job is done. So if you want to fix your power pack, you can fix it. And now we can put the charger and check the voltage on the output. I'm sure we now have stable 19 volts there. This is the most common fault on this power pack. The big capacitor with time is giving up. We do have 19 volts. Let's test with the same laptop. Same laptop. And see if now the customer can be in a position to use this power pack. We have orange light. Power on is on. No obvious, no bootable device. This is not a power supply which is working. It's the customer's power pack. We now have stable 19 volts on the output. It's now working. That's all what you need to do. All what you have to do is to replace the power pack, to replace the big capacitor, and you have a working laptop again. Actually, the laptop was working, but the problem was the power pack. So yeah, the job is done. So let me know what you think on the comment section. If you have anything that you don't want or that you wish me to add or subtract or to modify, don't hesitate to leave a comment, and we'll meet on the next repair. Bye bye.